Good morning, my SNH 501 crew. This is Dr. Willis. I wanted to take a second to simply give you a brief update of where we are this week. Of course, we are in Module 5. Hopefully, by now you found out or understood that we do not have a discussion board this week. I know that's a relief for you. It's also a relief for me within grading. So, this is really a chance for you to get caught up on anything that you've missed. If you've missed the Module 3 paper, the Module 4 paper, or even back to Module 2, if you missed those two assessments that we had to do in the My Pearson lab, this is the perfect time to get that complete. Also, within that discussion board, it's a perfect time to ask questions, and I'm gonna visit that within the next 5 minutes to see if anybody has asked any questions, maybe about a topic selection, maybe about the last week's paper, maybe about this week's paper, just to clear up some things. But I'll check that here shortly. But we do have another paper this week. It's a Module 5 paper, and it's simply going back. It's similar to what you did in Module 3, but you want to be a little more detailed. And I had this question, somebody asked, can I use some parts of my last paper? Of course, certainly you can. So basically, a lot of you were very detailed, very thorough in that last paper, and really all you have to do is add a plan or what type of resources you'll use to cultivate that internal motivation, that self-efficacy, time management, and that academic preparation or struggle area that you may have academically. So a lot of you did the groundwork already, and there are just a few more changes you need to make, but make sure you make those changes. But other than that, that's really all we have. Now, the next week, we're going to dig deeper into the research process. So I'm going to try to get all those Module 4 papers graded today. That way I can let people know if they're on the right track, or if they completely missed it and need to revamp some things. So be on the lookout for that feedback. Hopefully by today, I really need to try to get that in today to you. So I'm going to really try hard. But if you have any questions or concerns, please be sure to text me, email me, however you want to reach out. I am more than happy to assist you in any way possible. So this is a shorter or a less strenuous week. So try to get caught up and try to get ahead a little bit on that Module 5 paper. All right. You all have a wonderful day and reach out if you need me. All right. Bye.